Do you have a Windows 11 Home Edition computer and you can't for the life of you figure out why you can't create another user account? Well, I can show you how. Just watch. Just watch. Okay. Let's get started. So we'll start with launching the command prompt here. And this is for a Windows 11 Home Edition device. So if you don't have a Windows 11 Pro Edition, the process for making a user account is a little bit different. So I just wanted to show you a cool way to kind of do it through the command prompt. This is pretty much the format, which is net space user space. It would be the username space password space /add. So it's not the craziest process. It's a pretty easy process. You can also add admin rights to that user account so they can make changes to like the network, adapter on your computer, and things like that would involve an administrative account. So that's what I'm showing you here. There we go. We have the admin account or admin privileges added to that account. And we can head over to computer management. Let's say if you did have a Windows 11 Pro, you would be able to see this. Since I do have Windows 11 Pro, you can see kind of the local users and groups within the computer management application. You can make changes, add a password that never expires. You see here it's a member of administrators, which is what we wanted. And I can also show you another way to check for the account being created. And this is usually how you would make the account through a Home Edition if you don't know how to use the command prompt or do not know the commands to do so, right? Now, I also want to show you how to delete that user account. So you want to get rid of it. In my case, I want to do that because this was just a test or for testing purposes that I made this account. So it's pretty much the same format. At the end, you'll just replace the add with delete, and that'll completely remove that account from your local user list. And we can kind of take a quick look at it here in this list too, just so we can confirm that that account is no longer available to be used. Seems like I always take the long way to get into the other users section, but there you go. You only have the current user with my admin privileges, and that other account that we created for video purposes has been deleted. And we can also check here just to make sure. Gone. That's it. We don't have that account listed anymore. So now that we're pretty much done with that, let's go ahead and include a little bit of footage of how that account will look if it were to be created and you stayed with it. At the lockout screen, it would look something sort of like this. All your accounts would be listed on that screen, lockout, or whatever you call it, right? Then you be able to sign in with that password that you set. It'll take a few minutes for it to create the profile and all of that good stuff, right? So hopefully this video was helpful. If there's anything else that you'd like to see, just feel free to comment that down below. But that's how you create and delete a local user account on a Windows Home 11 device. That's how you create a local user account, an additional account on your Windows 11 Home Edition computer. There you have it. Hopefully that helps somehow or someone. Like, comment, subscribe, please.